So you took your heartless job again. Your heart sinks somewhere down the black hole called compromise pulls you in and spits you out. When are you gonna learn, my brother? When are you gonna learn? Your wasted talent is your biggest sin. When will you make amends? You asked me to say these words to you, or slap you in your face. Should you ever take that job again? So here I am to cause you pain. When are you gonna learn, my brother? When are you gonna learn? Your wasted talent is your biggest sin. When will you make amends? Your heartless job, your heartless job, your heartless job will bring you down. Your heartless job, your heartless job, your heartless job will wear you out. Your heartless job will keep you from living. Your heartless job will keep you small. Your heartless job will keep you from winning. Your heartless job could be your fall. You're selling shit to poor people, shit they don't need, shit made in poverty. It's not your problem indeed. You're just surviving, and your little bit of greed won't hurt your karma. Oh no, it won't hurt your karma. But brother, why can't you sleep? You've got the perfect car, but no time to fly or drive away with your family and kids. And those sad words you mumble into my ear after expensive wine has opened up your feelings, I can see. Brother, why you can't sleep? Yes, I can see that you're hurting, 'cause the world is a-changing, a new wave is coming, but you are just aging, stuck in the mud you're creating, and the mud turns into flood and takes us down with our heartless jobs. Our heartless jobs, our heartless jobs, our heartless jobs will bring us down. Our heartless jobs, our heartless jobs, our heartless jobs will wear us out. Our heartless jobs will keep us from living. Our heartless jobs will keep us small. Our heartless jobs will keep us from winning. Our heartless jobs could be our fall, could be our fall, could be our fall. And I cry for you, brother. It's such an awful shame, 'cause you are still so beautiful, and so ready for the game. So let's take a walk and let's breathe some air, and let's waste some time in the sun, but let's never waste our talent again. Let's never waste. 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 Let's never waste our talents again.